Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to change the voice of Gemini on your phone. In 2026, Google has expanded the lineup to include 10 distinct, realistic AI voices, so you can finally find the perfect tone for your daily assistant. Let's get right into the settings. First, you need to access the voice menu in the mobile app. Open the Gemini app on your Android or iPhone and tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and then tap on Gemini's Voice. This is the specialized menu where you can preview all the different options, from calm and deep to bright and energetic. Next, you can explore the different personality profiles. You will see 10 unique voices with names like Vega, Lyra, Ursa, and Pegasus. As you scroll left or right, each voice will introduce itself so you can hear the pitch and pacing. For example, Vega is known for being bright and higher pitched, while Orion or Orbit offer deeper, more energetic tones. Once you find the one that fits your style, just hit Select to set it as your default. Then, you should check your language settings if you don't see all 10 options. In 2026, the full range of voices is sometimes tied to your primary language. If you only see a couple of choices, go back to your Gemini settings, tap Languages, and make sure it is set to English United States. This usually unlocks the full Celestial voice suite. Once you've made the switch here, it will automatically apply to Gemini Live as well, so your real-time conversations will use your new preferred voice. Finally, keep in mind that this is currently a mobile-only feature. As of March 2026, you cannot change the Gemini voice directly from the web version on a computer. It will simply use the default system voice there. However, once you save your choice in the mobile app, it syncs to your account and will be used across all your voice-activated devices, including your Google Home speakers and smart displays. And that is it. Your AI now sounds exactly the way you want it to. If this voice customization guide helped you personalize your assistant today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.